Guys, welcome back to another video of Gaming 3000 Gotham. Today I'm going to be playing some more Farm Tycoon. And also you guys kinda enjoyed my last video and it had like 4 views. And I just checked it out if my video was good. That is how the video got 5 views. Okay, and also I did little bit grinding while I was not doing any other stuff because I really wanted to get like to the next production line. So and yeah, that's all what happened. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so let's do this. And yeah, okay, we got the next upgrade thing. Okay, so now we have like a lot of money and then we can now upgrade a lot more. And yeah, and what basically happened in the last episode was I forgot about that. And also basically what happened in the last episode was really fun and I got a lot of money and yeah, so I get 1k every single time. So I'm just going to load this on the truck. Okay, so well, I'm going to put the title of this video like playing Farm Tycoon and trying to get a farm and trying to get a cow farm part 2. That is my aim, my goal, to get a cow farm. Yeah, this is the cow farm and after that this is the sheep farm. The next one is the sheep farm. And then after that I'm going to then I'm going to end this video and going to end the episode and stuff. It will be easy. It will be very easy and stuff. So I hope you guys will enjoy. I just upgraded a little bit. So that gives me more, that gives me 400, this gives me 105, and this gives me 110, 100. Oh my god, I can't even process it. It's 1000 and the 311k. Okay, so now let me load up the truck even more. Oh my, look at the money that I'm getting. 1.9k like per second. Okay, let me upgrade a little bit. Okay, wait, what? Wait. Oh my, holy moly, guacamole. That's good. That's super good. I'm going to put that there. Okay. Okay, so let me just get like more boxes. Oh my, I'm going to fill this truck like with lots of eggs. Okay, let the car run. Oh my, look at my money. 375k. That is super. That is so overpowered. Okay, let me upgrade these. Now I should get 2k. Yeah, 2.45k per second. That is really good. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade this a little. Now I should get even more than the last one. 2.66k per second. Okay, let the car run. Oh my god, I'm already so rich. Look at me, dude. I'm already super duper rich. Okay, so upgrade this more. Okay, now that gives me 3k. So it is in total it is 5k per second. That is super duper good, dude. Dude, that is so good. I'm going to get rich. I'm going to get really rich in no time. In this case, yeah. Okay, give me more money, my egg container or egg farm. Egg container. Who said? To be honest, that is kind of funny. Okay, but wait. Let's actually concentrate on our goal to get this one. And also, I'm going to put my video like to 9 minutes, 9 minutes, to 9 minutes, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to work really hard, but I'm going to put it at 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes is not that bad. Okay. Oh my, look at the eggs. Some of the eggs are going out of the box. Okay, let me get some more. Oh my god, I just have to get like little bit more money. Then I can be really rich. Then I can get the next product line, which is 2 million, which is even more expensive than the other one. Okay. Let's get more money, and then yeah. This is going to be really easy. I'm actually saying this because this is actually going to be really easy. And let me just go on these researchers. Oh my. On 6.56 million cash, I couldn't even afford that much. Get factory 1 to reach 5 animals. I haven't done that. But let's see our researching things. Researching things. Where do I find the researching things? Here. Okay, safe transportation, yeah. High quality eggs. Let's research on that a little bit. We have to get more money, so we should research a lot more. Okay. Put it in, and then go my vehicle. Okay. I have to upgrade lots of these. Reset? No, I don't want to reset. Let's just put it to there. That much. Okay. Oh my. Dude, yeah. Yes, I want that much money. Okay. Let's put that there. It is almost about to be 10 minutes, so I should go and do this quickly. Okay. Go on my chicken farm. Okay, that is funny to say, so funny. Okay, upgrade this. One more. Okay, so now we should get lots more money. Yes, my calculations are correct. We are getting more money. I don't think we can get to the next production line today because we don't have enough money for that. Let me just do this quickly. We are about to reach 10 minutes. It is 8 minutes that I have been recording for. Oh my god. To get the money. Okay. I'm going to wait for a while. Let me just check out the other people's places, the other stuff, and yeah. Okay, so let's just do this. If I get 1 more million, then that will be so good. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Yeah. Wait guys. Okay. Wait guys, so I think I have been doing a lot more, and yeah, I think this is going to be okay. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I need more money to get to here, and then I will do that, get to the new production line in the next episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.